Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to go over how does buying power work on Robinhood. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've just gotten started with the Robinhood investing app, but if you haven't signed up for Robinhood just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you sign up, you'll actually get $5 to $90 worth of free stock. So with Robinhood, let's go ahead and open up the app. This is what your homepage is going to look like. And you can see that I have $95 worth of buying power. So if I click on the buying power, this is the amount of money that I'm going to be able to use in order to purchase stocks, crypto, or options. So if I click on the tooltip icon, you can see that from Robinhood themselves, buying power is the amount of money that you can use to purchase stocks, ETF, or options through Robinhood Financial, currencies through Robinhood Crypto. So essentially, you can increase your buying power by depositing funds, receiving dividends, or closing in on positions. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how does buying power work on Robinhood. Again, if you haven't signed up for Robinhood just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do sign up, you'll get $5 worth of free stock. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.